Eva. Today I will teach you the verb πίνω, which means I'm hungry. This verb is conjugated in the same way as the verbs μιλάω, αγαπάω. So, let's take a look how this verb is conjugated. Πίναω, πεινάς, πεινάει, πεινάμε, πεινάτε, πεινάνε. As you can see, if you want to emphasize who is hungry, you can put the personal pronoun in front of the verb. Now, let's see some examples. Πεινάω πάρα πολύ. I'm very hungry. Δεν πεινάω τώρα. I'm not hungry now. Μετά το κολύμπι, πεινάω πάντα. After swimming, I'm always hungry. And a useful expression with this verb is πεινάω σαν λύκος, which literally means I'm hungry like a wolf, but in English it means I could eat a horse, which means I'm very hungry, I'm starving. This was the lesson for today. Γεια σας!